Hi and welcome back to our channel. This video is being filmed straight after the last Lego video was filmed, which is why I'm in the same clothes. So it's now 11:15 on Sunday, the last Sunday of January, whose dates escape me and isn't really important. So we're carrying on with the Lego Harry Potter castle, the Hogwarts, with its very interesting hole in the bottom, which I'm not really sure why, but I'm sure it'll all become apparent. So last time we were working on this sort of area here. We've got a little bit of garden and the first bit of castle, well, a little gateway anyway. So we're on bag 6. And I have no idea what we're building. I expect it's probably going to be more cliffs and things, but we will find out. So I will just move the camera and point it down. Right, so I hope this is bag 6. Either bag 6 or bag 9. But as these numbers are the right way around, I'm assuming it's 6. So looking at this bag, there are all sorts of bits and pieces. Doesn't. So it looks like a very mixed bag of there's certainly a lot of plastic bags involved in Lego, isn't there? So, what are we making today? Oh, we're putting a roof on. Okay, I'm all for putting a roof on. So, we want that piece. Just make sure it's in the same orientation. We've got... what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, oh, this is a tight fit. Right. Yeah. So it goes there. Should be a longer red one somewhere. There it is. So, here we go. We've lost our hole. Just making sure it's all nice and securely attached. Oh, no, we've got more of the green things, have we? 7. 1 in. Die. 3. 3. Pedoir. Pimp. Square. Now, what's that? I could do with a different angle. I'm not going to do with a different angle, but I think that's right. And where does that one go? Alright, so that's black. I've got a black Well, at least dark coloured. One goes here, apparently. So, we've got an orange, so that's definitely a flower. Grey one. That's a green one. Where's that one go? One. That one. We've got a 3. 3. Do I tree? Yep, tree. Die. Okay, so where do these bits go? So the dying bit goes there, then that goes there. Oh, sorry. That goes there. That goes there. Goes there. So one of those. Dark colour. Dark maroon. Dark maroon. We haven't had much dark maroon. Sort of a... Two of those. Check. This has a silver. Silver. I don't have silver. If you do. Silver. Okay. I think that's all the bits I need. So, okay, we're doing bits over. Over. It looks like we're doing here. That goes there, that goes there. 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 Right. So, as you see, we're doing gardening today, by the looks of it. I wish gardening in real life was that easy. I was going to build bits of castle, maybe? Maybe, that'd be nice. So... do with those. Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking as much as normally. I'm trying not to make any mistakes. Now I'm not really sure I'm not really sure from a big picture point of view what I'm building. Okay. It's still nice to know what this thing is. And that goes there. Okay. Okay. That's very bright. We certainly seem to be doing the landscaping. I'm not sure entirely sure what's white in the Hogwarts castle. We're certainly easing up all of these white bits anyway. I do quite like the way they can make the paths though out of the Lego. Okay. So like that, so that goes there. That goes there. Goes there. Goes there. Goes there. Okay. So I'm not entirely sure why that goes there, but apparently it does. Now, where am I putting? Okay, so I've got to spin this round. Because this not yellow piece goes apparently. Yeah. Piece goes. Where's this piece go? There. Apparently. Okay. What are we doing? That's going there. That's going there next to the other water. Grey. Grey, grey. Okay, so that one again. Go again. Oh, we've got a vase. We've got one with a sort of print on it. There we go. And we're going to do this so you guys can see it. So there's a little door on there. So it goes like that. Two, 3, 2, 3, that makes sense. So oh, now we're building something else. Okay, so it says a 4 by. Yeah, so it's that one. But then we want like that. So it's like that, and like that. So I'm very confused with what this is. Oh, we're building something that's underground. Could this be the Slytherin common room, maybe? We'll find out, but we're certainly building something underground. Right. It looks like that. Okay, so that's that bit. So, okay. So I'm still a bit confused what I'm actually building here. I'm sure all will be revealed. so where do we've got more of these ones with Windows-y things on somewhere. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So we certainly need that. We certainly need those squares, so I'll put them aside now. Okay. Aha, I found some. Okay, I'm trying to find. I've lost a piece, which is annoying. Where's that piece gone? Ah. So I found it. I just put it in the wrong place. Right, there we go. Still not entirely sure what this thing is. Wish I knew what this was. So let's now have a look at here. Oh, is this the library? Oh, this is going to be the library. It certainly makes sense of these being bookshelves. Notice the pictures are so small, it's difficult to tell what they are. Well, I suppose it could be the kitchens. But, it's a bit difficult to tell, isn't it? Just unless it tells you. Right, so that goes. That. That's like that. So it is certainly part of the castle, isn't it? Quite impressed with these. Hey, doesn't that look good? No, it's actually still the same side. Apparently it's going to be the weak side. So, so where do you go? I think I see how this is going to work. So this is underground. That would make it more likely to be Slytherin's common room. Oh, that works quite well, actually. Okay. Gosh, and if you can see the door. Right. That's quite. They do put a lot of detail in this. So where does there we go. Muggles may be tempted to brew their own potions, but risk disappointment or worse with the results. Only witches or wizards can conjure the necessary magic required for successful elixirs. It's the potions classroom. Right. Okay. So. Okay, I can green. So that's going to be of a river. Right, so then we've got a bit more of the castle back here. A bit of So let's see. Nearly put a little orange bit there. Right, and there we go. So we've extended our board a bit. As you can see, we've got we've added a new room. Judging by what it says, I think it's the potions classroom. So we're supposed to be in the dungeons. So I will stop the video and I will move the camera. That ends this bit of let's say that again. Right, this ends part 7 of the Hogwarts castle build. So today we have done what I can only assume is the potions classroom. I mean, obviously when this is all done, I can be able to show it to you all a lot better. We've got a few bits left over, as normal, so I'll put them back in the bag in a way. And I'll see you next time. So if you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. As I'm recording this, it's the end of January and we're just about to break 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing. We never thought we'd get anywhere near that. I'm not entirely sure why you guys don't want to watch us, but hey, keep doing it, please. And I will see you for our next video. Bye.